guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Icon Cash. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can watch YouTube videos and you'll be earning from watching the YouTube videos. You will watch YouTube videos and you will also earn money for watching that particular YouTube videos. But before we get started, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload another videos, YouTube will notify you and you will be able to see the new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, do me a favor by sharing the videos, comment under it, and overall, if you have anything that you want us to discuss on, maybe you have any comment, you have any opinion, kindly drop it under the comment section. Remember that at the Icon Cash, we value your opinion. Your opinion is our priority. We value your opinion. So this morning I said I'm going to be showing you how you are going to earn money from watching YouTube videos. Many of you will be thinking, is that possible? It is very possible. It is possible because I've been doing it and I'm making money. So many will ask that, what did I need to get? What are the requirements? You don't need to get anything. Just get your time, watch the videos, and you get paid for watching that particular videos. So let us get started without wasting our time. So this is YouTube. So I will need to go back to YouTube now. Yes, YouTube. Now this is YouTube interface. Wherever that I log into YouTube, this is what you are going to be seeing. So for you now to earn money from YouTube, you need to look for a video with high view, with high click. So and I would suggest you should look for gaming. Gaming is one of the best videos that normally have high click, because people like to watch how to play game. So now the name of the game I will be recommending is the one I call Minecraft. You can see it's already here, Minecraft 2021. You can see here now you have 2.3 million views in the last 6 months. That is, the videos has potentials. So this one you have 87 views. How many days a day? Live now. It's already live. Something is live already. It has not published it. It was still live. So this one have 43k views 4 months ago. Now let us use these videos with high potential. So just come here, click on it. So when you click on it,
you see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
just come here,
Secure the bag, I get the bus.
right click, then copy the link.
Secure the bag, I get the
When you are copying the link, so I can close this now. That's what I need. You only need the link. You only need the link of the videos. So after then, so you go to a website I call adfly.com. Adfly, adf.ly, adfly.com. So here now, they will be the one to be paying you the money. So let us scroll down. You see, they said all advertising is string family safe with no pop-up antivirus, and you can see. So you are required to earn only $5 before you can pay, before you will be paid. We can pay all users via their PayPal or Payoneer. So if you don't have Payoneer or PayPal, you can check my previous videos on how to create a PayPal or Payoneer account. I have it on my channel. You can check them out. But if you have, no problem, you can make use of it. So now look at it. They said link clicked today. that is the link that they have clicked today. We have close to 1 million plus click. So user register, that is, we have close to 5.5 million users that are using this thing, and they are making tons of money. You would like to ask me, how did they make their money? So when you bring your link to them and you string your link, whoever that click on the link, there's an ad that will show up. So the ad is what that somebody has paid for the ad. So you are sharing the money paid for the ad with them. So you both share the money that they have paid for the ad within themselves, within both of you. So that's why you need to look for the high potentials videos that has potential, videos that has potentials, just like the one we copied now, that have close to 2.3 million views. 2.3 million views. So now you come to this place, then you paste the link. Immediately you paste the link, so you click on shrink. So you can see now that it is already shrink. So you just copy it. Copy. So when you copy, it is now remain another step. How will this thing turn to money? Where will I post it? How will I get people who have interest in that particular game? How will I get people who will come through the link? So that's why I still have another website. But before I go to another website where that you are going to be earning the money, remember the first step is to what? Go to your YouTube. When you go to your YouTube, you search for videos that has potential. It's not compulsory it should be Minecraft, but I recommend Minecraft because people want to know about how to play the game. So, and it normally has a high potentials, just like the one we copied now that has close to 2.4 million, and the one that has not been uploaded already have 87,000 views. So you can see. Now after then you come to Adfly. So you string the link. After you string the link, remember the Adfly will be the one to be paying you, as I said earlier, and you have to receive your payment through PayPal or Payoneer. I told you that if you don't have any of this, you can just go to my previous video and check the videos out and learn how to create your PayPal or Payoneer. Now after you have done that, you have done that. So the next thing is to move to a platform I call minecraftforum.net. minecraftforum.net. Now you scroll down, you can see this is a platform that thousands of people, millions of people come every day to learn about games. You can see millions of people come every day to learn about games, So you can just search here and click on mine. That won't waste your time. Minecraft. Then you search. So the article now will be showing only Minecraft. Now you can see Minecraft has 21,800 views. This one has 4,900 views. This one has 9,000. You can see. So YouTube will just come to this place, you register with them. When you register with them, you just go to Google and search for little article about Minecraft. When you search for the article about Minecraft, so you now put the link you copy from Adfly, you put it under it. Immediately they click under the link you copy from Minecraft will pay you, and it will redirect them back to to the YouTube videos, getting them back to the YouTube video. That is, you are making your money without creating anything. You are not creating the videos, you are making money from another person's YouTube videos. So if you have gained something from this tutorial, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you are a returning subscriber, as I said earlier, drop a comment under the video descriptions and help me to share the videos. Do us a favor by sharing the videos to your friends and family. And my next video will be on how to make money from JVSO. Whether you have a website or you not have a website, you will learn how to make money from JVSO. I know you will want to learn that. So, and for me to know whether you people want that, so just drop a comment that I love it, I love it, or I need it. So that will make me to know that you people want me to do a tutorial on JVSO, how you are going to make passive income from JVSO, whether you have a website or you do not have a website. So till then